Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. Well, I sure was hoping by the next time I did a video that we would be on maybe a better path related to this COVID-19, but clearly we still got a lot of challenges. Just want to let you know, Level 5, we're doing everything else everybody else is. We're doing the social distancing, of course, hand washing. We're locking everybody down pretty much here, but we're operating. We're up and running. The guys in the warehouse, say hi, guys. All right, so Darren over there. So, we're still operating, pick, pack, ship, everything's up and running. We still also have our website available, level5tools.com, our Amazon store, Level 5, also DeWaltDrywallTools.com. We've got products available there as well. We're still shipping, on a regular basis. The guys in the shop here, they're still working. Say hi, everybody. You got Travis over there. Got Craig. So our social distancing is working because nobody wants to get too close to Robbie. He doesn't smell very good sometimes. So anyway, we don't like each other either. So we're trying to keep it light. We're trying to keep everybody, working and satisfying the needs of the finisher. We know, it might be tough getting some stuff retail-wise. We want to make sure that we still are available. We've closed our retail shop here. We just don't want walk-in traffic. We're trying to make sure we keep everybody safe. We're concerned about our brothers and sisters in the finishing trade. Unprecedented times, very unnerving at some times. But again, as I said before, have faith, not fear. And I believe we will make it through this. And I think we'll be stronger as a global community. At least I sure hope and pray that we are. Again, you can visit us at level5tools.com. We're shipping again. Our Amazon store, Level 5. You got DeWaltDrywallTools.com. And also, I just look at our 800 number, 800-227-7713. We're trying to do some things on the financing side, help finishers out. If there's anything you need, we'll try to put together a package for you. I know some guys out there are renting tools. They may not have access to their tools or maybe some issues with that. But, whatever your needs are, we're here to take care of you. Again, Level 5 Tools. We're a family out there, folks. We always have been. We always will be. We'll continue to do everything we possibly can for the benefit of the finishing community. Most of all, take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Be safe. Welcome to the Red Zone. Be well.